Hello, I just wanted to make you all this quick screencast to remind you or show you how to attach a grading guide, which what we typically call rubrics, to an assignment in Moodle. So what we have set up that is fairly new to the School of Ed is that Erin has helped me create our universal lesson plan rubric, this rubric, into a grading guide in Moodle so that you can attach it right to an assignment. And instead of having to put your feedback on this downloaded rubric and then upload it as a feedback attachment, you can do your feedback right on the rubric or the grading guide, as Moodle calls it, right in your course. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to do that. You'd have editing on in your Moodle course. You would add an activity or resource like you normally would. Choose to make your assignment. This is a lesson plan rubric, so this might be attached to a unit requirement that you have or the submission of a lesson plan. You create it like you normally would, and then in the grading section of the assignment that you're creating, open up that drop-down menu, and here in the grading method, you're going to choose grading guide. Grading guide is what Moodle calls this that we have made. So you choose grading guide and then continue to scroll down to the bottom of the assignment. If you choose save and display, it will then prompt you for which grading guide you would like to attach. It wants to know if you want to develop a grading guide brand new from scratch or use a template that's already existing. Choose use a templated form, and it will show you all of the forms available to you. You'll want to use the search feature and type in lesson to find our SOE lesson plan rubrics. I have 3 in here for you that you can choose from. There's an advanced level one that has the entire lesson plan rubric because we know at the advanced level it requires all of the components. That's here for you. That the advanced level includes all of the criteria. If you want to choose the advanced level because you're in an advanced course and students are expected to do all of the criteria on the lesson plan rubric, you would just say use this template to choose all of the criteria in the advanced level. Just below that, you'll see the intermediate level rubric, which only has the intermediate level criteria that are expected. Has all of the introductory plus all of the intermediate criteria and stops there. If you're an intermediate level course, you would simply say use this template. If you're an introductory level course, you would choose this bottom one here to only show the introductory level criteria. So let's pretend we're in an intermediate course. You would say use this template. It would give you a little reminder. Would you like to use this template? You say yes, continue. And then you'll get this sort of warning message. This is okay, it's expected. It's basically just saying that Moodle behind the scenes is calculating your grade for you, designed to match the rubric that Erin has set up. And you're all set. It's attached to your assignment and you'll be good to go. I want to show you what it will look like once it's attached to an assignment in your course. So I have that rubric or grading guide attached to this assignment. When you're ready to grade your work, your students' work, you would go in like you normally would. When you click grade, now you will see on the right-hand side, you'll see the students' work here. And on the right-hand side, you'll see the actual rubric. So this will be the criteria. There'll be a comment space for each of the criteria and a space for you to add your notes and also the score. So each criteria has a comment box and a place for the score. Once you have all of the items scored, Moodle will calculate the average for you and post it directly to the gradebook. So all of your feedback can now be centralized to this one location, and there's also a space for overall feedback, comments, and of course a file if you did choose to upload anything additional. You can use the commenting and markup features here once you see the students' work displayed, and it will attach this rubric. All right, I hope this is helpful to you. Don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions because I'm still learning about this too, and hopefully as we go on we can add more grading guides to rubrics that we use universally.